Today I will show you how to earn 10% profit in just one round on BNB Arbitrage. In this method, we will use a bunch of Binance and BNB Exchange. As you can see, the BNB rate on this platform is 10% higher than on Binance, which means that we can get a profit in one round. First, we need to fund our BNB account. To do this, go to the wallet and click on Deposit. Select BNB and click on Show Address. Copy it and go to Binance. I'll start with a flat amount of 30 BNB, but you can enter any amount. That's roughly $7,300 at the time the video was recorded. So after a few minutes, the money came to the balance. Now we just have to sell our BNB through spot trading. To do this, go to spot trading. Select BNB. Now scroll down, select the entire amount of BNB and click sell. Great. We got about 8,100 USD. Now we need to withdraw them to Binance. To do this, go to withdraw. Select Tether USDT. Choose TRC20 network and go to Binance to copy your USDT address. Now paste the address here, then enter the entire amount, taking into account the fee. And click on Withdraw. Then we wait a few minutes until the money is credited to the Binance. With this simple method in just one round, we earned almost $800. You can use this scheme more than once. Have a nice day and don't forget to subscribe.